It's in our phones, our TVs, and our feeds. It shapes the way we think, feel, and act every day. It connects us with people across the world, helps us learn new things, and even brings communities together for a cause. But it's not always good. Fake news spread faster than the truth. Endless scrolling can leave us tired, distracted, and disconnected from the people around us. The good news? We can choose how we use media. Check the facts before you share. Limit your screen time. Think twice before you post something hurtful. And remember, life happens outside the screen too. Spend time with friends and family. Be present. Media is powerful. Let's use it to spread kindness, truth, and positive change. Media is your tool, your choice.